Hello friends, welcome back to the part 3 of my restoration of Maruti 800. Last episode you saw we bought all the spare parts what that was required, the suspension part, the steering box and the lights and whatnot. Like for some reasons I was not able to be there for the whole day. I had to come back as I had some work. तो अभी हम जस्ट निकल रहे हैं to go to the workshop and see what has been done yesterday and what is going on today. Once I reach over there, I'll tell you what's happening out there. Chalo, meet you at the workshop. Bye bye. So guys, just reached the workshop. As you can see, the brake cylinders have all been changed and the drums have been put back. Here its work is yet to be done. Steering box, ball joint, the lower arm has already been, the lower arm is already also fixed over here. So he has done all this job yesterday itself. Same here, you can see the ball joint, steering box यहाँ पर लगा हुआ है. The new suspension is already right hand side. The left hand side was not available yesterday, तो शायद अगर आज मिल गया so that will be also through. So guys, आपने जैसे देखा अभी के he has done quite a lot of work already. The steering box is in, लग चुका है. One side only the strut is still not come, so probably today आज मिल जाएगा. तो I think he should be done today with the suspension work. Then comes the engine part. There's oil leak in the engine as I told you before, तो वो देखेगा. And then I'm planning to change all the oils in the car. That is gearbox oil, differential oil, then brake oil, everything. All those things are planning to change it. So once we do that, because I think I changed it quite some time back. I think nearly 2 years, 3 years probably, 2 or 3 years हो चुका है हमने change नहीं किया है. I thought it's better to change it as it is. We are getting all the work done. The engine oil was changed recently only. But अगर देखेंगे अगर engine oil is also lost its viscosity, then we'll change that also. तो let's see आज और क्या काम हो सकता है, देखते हैं अभी. Rear shocks have also been put. यहाँ पर लग चुका है. The other side also, if you see, the rear shocks have also been fixed. यहाँ पर new one is put. The shocks before what was there in the car was regular shocks, the struts, the regular struts. Now this time I've got this gas filled strut shock absorbers, so the ride is going to be even better. It is MGP only. अभी उसमें first when the car was bought, that time the regular struts used to come. Now we have got gas, so the quality of ride will definitely improve once with this kind of strut. So all the bush kits have also been changed. The balance rod bush जो है इसके वहाँ पर लगे हुए हैं, all new, totally all new, total 100% all new bushes we have put. We can see this is the old kit was removed and the new ones have all been fixed already. Bush kits, total all the bush kits have been changed in the front. That's the cleaning of the brake drums going on. And he has also replaced this cylinder. And this is new. This was leaking, so this is also put new. brake oil has already been changed. We are using the .4 brake oil. This is what is being used in the car before. The same oil has been topped up in this also. So ये आप देख सकते, देखिए ऑयल पूरा फिल कर दिया है. Now that bleeding part is pending. The air निकालना है brake line में से. So he'll do the bleeding now in some time. Once that is done, so the rear suspension brake work will all be done. So this is the caliper pin kit, which would be fixed on the caliper bed. Now opening up the engine to check out where the oil leak is from. So those are the 3 injectors over here. So the injectors are getting opened. We'll see if the cleaning is required or not. He'll check it up. If the cleaning is required, we'll give the injectors for cleaning. It will take a day for the injectors to be cleaned. It has to be given to Bosch authorized people for the cleaning purpose. Let's see if it is required or not.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow.
So this is the injector. I think there's a carbon deposit over here. That's the whole set. I think we need to get the injectors cleaned.
With the motion, following the light that sets me free.
So the problem over here, the leakage is from all these bushes. Needs to be changed. The gasket needs to be changed. The leak will all stop. This is a carbon deposit. Nothing can be done. That needs to be cleaned. The whole head has to be removed. So we are not planning to do that. The engine is perfectly alright. So we are not going to change that. Do anything to it. Just clean it from the top, whatever possible. So just got back from the workshop and आपने जैसे देखा कि सस्पेंशन का लगभग पूरा काम हो चुका है. The brakes are also done. Only the left side struts. We are waiting for the left side strut and spring. तो अगर आज वो मिल जाएगा तो वो भी आज ही लग जाएगा. Else tomorrow if morning we get by, it'll take a half an hour's time probably for him to fix that. So once that is done, the suspension work will be done. And engine आपने देख के ही लिया. जैसे we have removed the injectors, it has been given for cleaning. And oil leakage जो हो रहा था, we have found out that also. तो as I showed you those screws nuts था, उसके ऊपर में जो bushes लगे थे, तो they had all worn out. That will be changed, and then that the gasket, new gasket will be put, and that oil leakage problem would be sorted out. So most probably, if we get that suspension part today or by early tomorrow morning, car should be ready by tomorrow evening. So that all my mechanical work would be over if the suspension part what we're waiting for, if we get it, तो हो जाएगा. And then we move in for the next, we go in for the interior work. जो है, the seats have all withered out due to time, and it is torn a bit at places. So I am just still searching for the original covers if I can get the same thing. अगर वो मिल जाए तो nothing like it. Else we don't have an option. We go in for seat covers on top of that. Let's see क्या होता है, देखते हैं. I'm still searching, cross fingered at present. तो day 3 comes to an end today. तो hoping for the best tomorrow. Let's see. So if you have liked the video, please do share, please do like, and please do subscribe to my channel. And till the next episode, wear your seatbelts, drive safe, and enjoy your drive. Bye bye.